Hello students, let us learn lesson number 13. Let us wait, a monologue. When things go against their wishes, little children sometimes feel very sad and lonely. They don't realize how much the people around them love them. It's only when they wait and think properly that they understand it. Let us hear what this girl has to say. When we see page number 29, we see a girl, and this is a lesson which is a monologue of her. Monologue means a long speech by one person during a conversation. So, little children sometimes feel very sad and lonely. Why? Because they think that they are neglected by their parents or by elders. But when they think properly, they understand that it is not the right thing. So, let us see what this girl has to say. This is the worst day of my life. I am feeling very sad. You may not believe it, but I am the saddest person on this earth. The girl thinks that she is the saddest person, means she is very sad person. No one is as sad as her on this earth. And she says that this is the worst. Worst means very bad. That was very bad day of her life. And why? Let us see the reason in second paragraph. The reason is that nobody loves me. I have a family, mummy, daddy, granny and a younger sister. I have been sitting here behind this sofa for the whole day. Okay, for the last 8 hours. Alright. At least an hour. At least 10 whole minutes, and no one has noticed. So she has a complaint that no one has noticed her for just 10 minutes, but she is thinking that no one cares for her. And let us see who are in their family. So she has a mummy, daddy, granny and a younger sister. They are all interested only in my sister. Even when she cries for no reason, they all rush to her, pick her up and give her whatever she wants. So her complaint is that she has a younger sister and she is only the girl who is pampered in their house. Pampered means she is getting attention. She is getting so much attention by all the family members, as this girl thinks. She thinks that no one loves her. I should really go away and live in some interesting places. I think I will become a hermit and wander in the mountains and forests. I will eat the fruit on trees and make friends with birds and animals. So she is thinking to become a hermit. Hermit means a person living in a solitude as a religious discipline. And wander means to walk casually, means we just walk without any intention or aim in our mind. We just walk and walk. And she wanted to go in mountains and forests. And when she will go there, she is ready to eat fruits on the trees and she will make friends with birds and animals. Or I could ride away on a camel and live in a desert. At night, I will sleep in a tent. Or better still, I will travel to the North Pole and live in an igloo made of ice. I will make friends with the polar bear. So before explaining this paragraph, I will show you some pictures. This is a tent. This is a desert. So the next picture is of igloo. Igloo, it is made of solid snow by Eskimo people. It is found on North Pole. This is a kind of house and these are the polar bears. So she wanted to become friend with polar bear. Now let us see the explanation. She just wants to go different places, different interesting places, and now she is going, or she wants to go in desert and have a camel ride. Ride means a journey made on camel's back, camel ride. Or she will sleep in tent, or she is ready to live in igloo. As I show you how is the igloo. It is a kind of a house made with solid snow. Let us see page number 30. What's that? Something soft against my back. Oh, it's baby. What are you doing here, you silly? Go away. Don't smile at me. Why do you follow me? Is there nobody else in the house to look after you? As she was thinking like this, someone has come near to her, and who is that? It's her younger sister. So the girl thinks that why she is means why that a younger sister is coming to me. Is there nobody else in the house to look after you, means to care for her? Don't come here. You may bump into something and I will get all the scolding. Why do you have to do everything that I do? Copycat. Bump means a light collision means आपण त्याला मराठीत म्हणतो की धडकणे. ती कशाला तरी धडकेल अशी या मुलीला भीती वाटते. Copycat means a person who just likes to copy others. So this little girl thinks that her younger sister likes to do everything what this Didi or what this girl does. Oh, never mind really. The people in this house, they should look after her better. I am a grown up girl now. I can manage on my own. But what about this little baby? Come, baby, let us crawl out from here. Crawl. Crawl means an act of moving on one's hand and knees. As these babies walk like this, walk means they crawl. Now that little girl is thinking that she has grown up now because she has to look after, means she has to take care of her younger sister. So now they are coming from where, as we have seen on page number 29, the girl is sitting behind the sofa. Now they are coming out of it. When I go away, I will take you with me, or you will keep crying for me all the time, and they won't even guess what the matter is with you. I really can't go away when you are so small. Let us wait till you are a little older. See, in this last paragraph, the little girl has grown up really well, and how? Because she thinks that she is her tai, she is her elder sister, and she needs to look after her younger sister as she is her elder sister. So she thinks that she has cancelled all her plans. She does not want to go anywhere leaving her sister at home because she thinks that she is also responsible. She also needs to take care of her younger sister. So as this elder girl thinks that you may also think the same, but eventually when you think properly, you will realize your mistake and start to pamper your younger ones. In this way, we have finished the lesson. Now let us learn the exercise. Question first, read the monologue aloud with proper intonation. Means where are the question marks or where are the exclamatory marks? You should read those lines in that manner. Question 2, present the monologue or a part of it in the classroom. Means you can learn by heart any paragraph from this lesson with proper intonation and present it in the classroom. Question 3, answer the following questions. A, where does the girl plan to go? Means where she wants to go. Can a little girl go to such faraway places on her own? It is not possible that this girl or a little girl can go on her own. Is the girl still sad at the end? No, she was not sad. Does the girl love her little sister? Yes. So here are the answers. Question 4. Write the things, any three, that make you sad, angry and happy. I have given some situations here. If you want to add your own, you can add. Question 5. What do you feel when you are angry or sad? Write down your thoughts. Means when you are angry or sad, what are your thoughts? How do you think? You should write here. And question number 6. What do you feel when you are happy? Write down your thoughts. Means in happy mood, how do you think? What are your thoughts? You should write here. So listen this explanation video again and again and try to learn by heart the answer. Thank you.